Meaning of Guyanese.
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 Guyanese. Guyanese refers to someone or something from the South American country of Guyana. The term is typically used to describe people of Guyanese descent or citizens of Guyana. The country has a diverse population with Indo-Guyanese, Afro-Guyanese, and Indigenous Guyanese being among the largest ethnic groups. Guyana is known for its natural resources, including gold, bauxite, and timber, as well as its rich cultural heritage, which includes music, dance, and cuisine influenced by African, Indian, and indigenous cultures. Today, Guyana is a developing nation striving for economic growth and social development.